Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to cook rotel dip in a crock pot. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of ground beef, 1 16-ounce block of Velveeta cheese, and 1 10-ounce can of rotel diced tomatoes with green chilies. For an even smoother dip, you might want to have a 1/4 cup of milk or some cream cheese on hand. These few items are all it takes to create a delicious, crowd-pleasing appetizer. Next, we'll prepare the ground beef. In a large skillet, brown your 1 pound of ground beef over medium heat until it's completely cooked through. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Once the beef is no longer pink, it's crucial to drain off any excess grease. This step prevents your dip from becoming oily. After draining, carefully transfer the brown beef into your crock pot. Now, let's combine everything in the crock pot. Take your 16-ounce block of Velveeta cheese and cut it into 1-inch cubes. This helps it melt more quickly and evenly. Add these cheese cubes directly into the crock pot with your browned ground beef. Then, pour in the entire 10-ounce can of rotel diced tomatoes with green chilies, making sure not to drain it. Give everything a good stir to mix it all up. Finally, it's time to cook and enjoy your delicious dip. Set your crock pot to low and cook for 1 to 2 hours, or if you're in a hurry, set it to high for 30 to 60 minutes. Remember to stir the dip occasionally until the Velveeta is completely melted and the mixture is smooth and creamy. Once it's ready, serve your warm rotel dip with your favorite tortilla chips, crackers, or even fresh vegetable sticks. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.